Introducing aPriori.
And I am here with Neel Gupte from Dover Foods Retail. Neel, would you tell me a little bit about yourself and what you do for your work?
Well, I have been with Dover Food Retail for about 1.5 years. I'm the Vice President of Engineering there. And Dover Food Retail is primarily engaged in commercial refrigeration. We make refrigerated equipment for the supermarket industry.
And so you're here today at aPriori's conference. What problem are you having that you're looking to aPriori to try to solve?
So we are currently in the process of purchasing some software from aPriori, and I have prior experience with aPriori. So basically the problem we are trying to solve is accelerate our design to value, and the cost reduction programs to the point where we can become more profitable.
And at the previous companies that you work, were you able to accelerate design to value using aPriori?
Yes. So in the previous companies, we use aPriori in various manner, not only for VAVE type of initiatives, but we also use them in design to cost. So when we were trying to hit cost targets, we wanted to know whether or not we are going to meet the cost target while we were in the design phase. A lot of times costs are very late stage surprises that throws the program very back, and then it can cause some delays in product launches. So we were successful in managing in that way.
So you're really hitting it from two angles.
Yes.
You had both your VAVA folks using aPriori, but then when you get your design engineers using it, that's when you can really see the benefits of getting cost out of the system before the product is shipped.
And of course, the other thing is the DFM. The DFM is very useful for us because a lot of times design engineers, they don't have enough background of manufacturing. And this tool actually allows them to choose the right process or the right design. Sometimes even trading tolerances in a design can be very valuable because engineers will design tolerances in a vacuum, and then they find out at the end of the day that it's very expensive and they don't know why. Versus if they find out which tolerance is driving cost up, then they could actually reallocate their tolerances and actually do a better design to meet the cost objectives. So those will be some of my game plans, if you will.
Are you evaluating your payback period for aPriori?
Yes, we are forced. We are forced, of course. Like every CFO wants us to evaluate the payback period. But I would say that based on my past experience, it has always been less than 6 months. So I'm counting on it. 2023, we have very aggressive plans, and definitely we are counting on aPriori to get minimum 2x of savings of how much we are going to invest. And that's pretty much in line with the 6-month payback period. And of course, we believe that we can get there because we have a lot of opportunity. I mean, when we look at our designs, our industry has pretty much been prone to customization. So there's a lot of lack of standardization that we see. So opportunities are just written all over. It's just like how fast we get them, right? And aPriori is going to put this thing into a top gear because we can do a lot of stuff by hand, but we will be so slow that we will take 5 years to find all the opportunities. Whereas all the 5-year opportunities, if we can find and work on, that would be a great thing for us. So that's what we are looking for from aPriori in 2023.
aPriori, making profitability and sustainability a reality for a better world.